Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a 100% honest slime shop review. We have Slimecityb, Slime Yoda, and Slimebyjacklyne. These slimes are all purchased at Slime Bash, and I'm very excited for this video. So let's get on to it. But before we start, don't forget that my shop is still stocked from Black Friday. We'll be having a Cyber Monday sale again, and all slimes are 70% off. That means normal slimes are $3, and then Ranger Snacks is $1.80, and grab bags are just a single dollar. Like, that's so cheap, y'all. So you better go snatch and free shipping. Like, what? But yeah, go snatch those slimes. Link in the description of the video, and go follow my Instagram, and I hope you're having an amazing weekend. And are you ready for Christmas and the holidays? Because I certainly am. So let's get on to the slime video. So the first shop that we're reviewing is Slime Yoda. I bought 4 slimes from her, but I'm showing 2 of them today. We have Slime Bash Thicky and Cheat Day Shake Thicky. So guys, this slime is super thick and super glossy. I love it. It has some magenta foam beads, pink foam beads, and some big purple foam beads, like blue, pink foam beads. And it's so thick, so glossy. It is a little underactivated right now since I've had it for a little bit over a month. It smells so good. It's like based off like what you would have on a cheat day, like all mixed into a smoothie, and like it's good. So I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. The scent is my favorite part, and it's such a great texture. So this next slime is called Slime Bash Thicky by Slime Yoda. It has some blue Java chunks, green foam beads, and some more blue foam beads, and like purple. It's super thick and super glossy. Like, the gloss is impeccable. It smells like a fruity soda pop thing, like, I don't know, like pineapple soda pop or something, like toxic, like theme or something. I love it. It's so thick, so glossy, and the scent is amazing and has great bubble pops, and I definitely recommend her event slimes because they're always one of a kind and they're so amazing. And today she's at San Francisco Slime Bash, but she brought a puff this time, I think. So I rate Slime Yoda shop a 10 out of 10. All her slimes are so amazing, and I tried to snatch from her Black Friday restock yesterday, and no luck. So next shop is Slimebyjacklyne, and this is California Donuts. So this slime is a super thick slime. It has the purple, blue, and green sprinkles from Kawaii Slime Company, the mermaid sprinkle set. It's super thick, super glossy, and has a glue-all base. It has some marshmallow jumbo beads at the top, and it's so amazing. And it smells like rainbow sherbet. So the third and final shop is Slimecityb with their Jamba Juice. So this slime is super thick and super glossy. It's super thwacky too. It is a glue-all base, and I've had one of these before, and I loved it. And I played with it so much that it got really bad because it got really dirty because I played with it for so long, and I love this slime so much, so I'm glad I got a new one at Slime Bash. It's super thick, and it's one of the most thwacky slimes that I've ever had. I mean, so great, and it smells just like rainbow sherbet, like Jamba Juice. I don't know. I definitely rated it a 10 out of 10, and you should snatch this from her next restock. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment and a subscribe, because let's get to 10K, y'all. Don't forget to buy from my shop down below. The website, it now has a domain, so it's an Etsy shop, but it is the Slimelab.store, the Slimelabshop.store. I think you know how it's spelled, so. But don't forget to buy from my Black Friday restock. Cyber Monday restock is coming too. There's not going to be as many deals, so you better snatch now for the good deals. But I hope you're enjoying the new setup, and I'm glad to be back on YouTube, and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching a million, and I love you. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, and bye!